lovelies, welcome back to another video, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Jessica. I like to do cleaning videos. So today we are doing a quick Monday morning clean with me. This is just what I was able to get done on my day off, so just wanted to take you with me. Hopefully you get some cleaning motivation, and also if you are new here, I hope you'll think about hitting that subscribe button down below. And yeah, let's get on into cleaning. Of course, as you can tell right now, I'm just loading up the dishwasher with the dirty dishes, and then whatever I can't put in the dishwasher, I'll just be cleaning by hand, and then just getting the rest of this kitchen all cleaned up.
No hands of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you. Every now and then you lose in life. What you're risking when you roll the dice. Now I'm gonna place the bet on me. I do believe you will learn what it's like to fail. Gave a little and far too late. Now it's time for you to up and leave. I do believe. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. Well, you're dialing a zero. No hands of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you. I do believe you. it. I do believe it. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. Well, you're dialing a zero. No hands of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you. We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. us down. We shouldn't care about anyone. Hope brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
Cold hand, frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. The girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach, having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done. I work hard every day, don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy away from a good time. Coming on Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright. There ain't no stopping us from having fun. There ain't no cloud in sight. The future is looking bright. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. Girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach, having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. Girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach, having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never.
So you're looking for the secret that got me here. Some kind of magic ingredient that takes you there. Well, you just keep showing up. You just keep showing up. You just keep showing up. Yeah, you just keep showing up. you wanna hear from me. No, you just wanna find some kind of lucky pill for free, but you just have to keep showing up. You just keep showing up. Yeah, you just keep showing up. You just keep showing up. It's the only thing, if I know anything, that will set you for life. There ain't no quick fix or book of dirty tricks. There's just plain old strife. It's the sign of the times, I do believe. And with risk of sounding like an interrupted dream, once more I tell you, keep showing up. You just keep showing up. Yeah, you just keep showing up. You just keep showing up. Yeah, you just keep showing up. Yeah, now keep showing up. You keep showing up.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep.
Alright, and with that, this is about the end of the video. So I hope this gave you guys a bit of cleaning motivation. And once again, if you are new here and you stay till the end of the video, I hope you will think about hitting that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join my little YouTube video. And I will see you guys all again in the next video. Bye guys!